what we're doing today is actually very exciting and a big move.
We're making sure I won't be homeless in 2 months.
So her lease is up, actually 30 days.
Yeah, and they would want me to pay double what I pay now in order to renew my lease long enough until we get married. And my microwave always breaks and my air conditioner always breaks. And it's Florida where it becomes 90, 100 degrees. I'm sorry, I don't want to pay that much for an apartment that's 100 degrees.
So we're looking for a new place. Yeah. Anyway, we think we may have found one actually, and we called the person, and we called the leasing officer, personnel.
Oh, it's also official.
Yeah. I want to flatter them until we get it at least. So this is kind of what we're looking at, guys.
We would have 2 parking spaces.
We have 2 parking spaces.
A his and hers bedroom.
That's right.
Because no, I snore. No, girls don't snore. Girls never snore.
You heard it here, guys.
They never snore.
Snores.
I do not.
You admit it.
I just was joking. Do I look like I snore?
I mean,
I don't snore. If I was to snore, I would go.
Comment below if you think Ashley is a snorer.
I do not.
I would like to know.
They'll be on my side.
I mean,
a woman never snores.
I would like to know, guys. Tell me what you think. We'll take a poll. Does she snore?
I might purr, but I don't snore.
No, that's Leela. Leela purrs.
I speak cat.
That needs to be your new nickname, Leela purrs. So we put the apartment hunt slightly on hold as of right now, just because we found one that we really liked. We looked at a second one, but it had already rented. So it's very competitive right now, guys.
I mean, he got mad at me because I wished our competitor good luck at that place that was taken.
You don't do that to the competition.
Like, well, he told good luck to you guys, and it's rude to not say good luck back.
I just said nothing.
And the thing is, if there, I don't know, I don't really believe in luck. It is whether it is.
Then why'd you say good luck?
Because it's just like a false, it's an empty well wish.
Oh,
so that's why it's okay to say to your competitor.
Okay, I see how it works.
To the fittest and to the fastest.
What's up, guys? So we kind of finished looking at apartments, and we kind of got some creative juices flowing, right?
The juices are flowing.
And so we drove past like this really cool train tracks, and like, well, basically this happened. Anyway, guys, I kind of hope that you guys like that. In fact, actually, we just finished shooting that, so we have no idea how it turned out.
It turned out great.
Oh, well, I mean, I'll just comment below if you guys think it turned out great, because we don't know yet. But, oh, yes, we did not litter, guys. We're taking it with us to throw away. Isn't it beautiful?
No rabbits will be harmed.
That's right.
Even though they would like to have a candlelit dinner.
With some Jello in the middle.
He wants to play with the Jello.
It's like Jello in the middle. It's kind of funny. It's like all the glass is stuck to it.
I'll get you some Play-Doh.
Ooh, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I knew I'd have some fun with that. That's where I'm going to end today, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, guys, so I threw this together kind of last minute. So we ran by CVS and I picked these 2 things up. This and this. And it's such a cool idea. It costs literally maybe like 20 bucks if. Alright, come check this out, guys. place this on the floor just because the floor is always going to be uneven. But I place the car right here, take my camera off, set it right here, and now I have slider shots. I think they came out pretty well.
I was never the one to fall.